Today I'll be walking you through a headlight restoration I did for a shop this week. As you can see, these ones are a little beat up. The oxidation or fogginess isn't really the issue, but these lights are absolutely covered in micro abrasions. All those little white specks you see are essentially mini rock chips. So for the products today, we're going to be using Rupes foam pads, compound and polish, and some sanding discs as well. And then we'll be ceramic coating them at the end just to add a little bit of protection as well. I'll link everything down below with a discount code as well if you do want to try anything out. We're going to be starting with a sanding process. I'm doing a 2000 to 3000 wet sand on these to level out those micro abrasions a little bit and also remove the oxidation. Frankly, these ones aren't going to be perfect because of the damage, but we're definitely going to improve them without having to replace them. After sanding, I'll follow up with a compound to remove the sanding marks and bring out the clarity in the headlights. And we're going to finish it out with a polish before coating these headlights. We're going to give this a wipe down with isopropyl alcohol, and the coating we're going to be using today is G-Technic Crystal Serum Light, and we're going to go ahead and top it with a EXO top coat. Crystal Serum Light's a fantastic coating by itself, but adding EXO will add a little hydrophobicity as well. As you'll see, there are still some micro abrasions because the goal is to correct, not perfect. We cleared these up nicely for the customer, and it will increase the visibility from the lights going forward. Subscribe for daily detailing content and comment down below if you have any questions or recommendations.